Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to apply for a Costco Citi Card online. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's begin. Alright guys, open up any web browser on your PC, laptop or even your mobile device. Head on over to Google and type in Costco Citi Card. And then from here, click on the first result from Citi.com, Costco Anywhere Visa Card by Citi. So click into that. And now this is the main page where you can apply for this Costco Citi Card. So if you have a quick read of this, you get 4%, 3% cashback, earn 4% on eligible gas and EV charging, cashback, unlimited 2% on all other purchases from Costco, and a lot more. So just have a read of all this stuff you can get once you get your Costco Citi Card. So now what you want to do is click on Apply Now and let this page load. So there's more information here. Tell us about yourself. So you want to put in your membership number from Costco, chuck that in there, and then fill out your personal information like your first name, last name, initials, home address, social security number, date of birth, phone number, all this stuff. So fill out all of this, and then once you've done all that stuff, click on the terms and conditions, then click on agree and submit. And then if everything looks good, you'll be able to get your Costco Citi Card. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching it to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.